Software, the cornerstone of the digital world. In today's digital age, the concept of software extends far beyond just computers, encompassing a wide range of technological devices such as smartphones, tablets, home appliances, and even cars. But what exactly is this thing we call software, and why is it so crucial? Definition and importance. Software is a system of coded commands and data that enables the operation of a device. Essentially, it allows a device to perform specific tasks and facilitates user interaction. Examples include operating systems, office applications, games, and web browsers for computers, as well as apps for smartphones, driver assistance systems for cars, and smart home software for home appliances. The importance of software is continually increasing as technology advances and becomes more integrated into people's daily lives. From business to entertainment, communication to healthcare, software plays a critical role in nearly every sector. For instance, in the telecommunications sector, complex software systems are used to manage communication networks and process data. In healthcare, hospitals and clinics use specialized software to manage patient records, create treatment plans, and control medical devices. Types and development. There are many different types of software, each serving a specific purpose. Operating systems manage the basic functions of a computer, while application software is used to perform specific tasks. Game software is for entertainment, database software stores and processes data, web browsers enable internet browsing, and the list goes on. The development of software is advancing rapidly alongside technology. New technologies such as artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, IoT, blockchain, and cloud computing are opening up new possibilities in the world of software. Additionally, software development processes and methodologies are constantly being improved and updated. Flexible development methodologies like Agile and Scrum enable software projects to be completed faster and more efficiently, while the open source software movement makes software more accessible and shareable. Conclusion. Software is the cornerstone of today's digital world, deeply integrated into almost every aspect of our lives. With technological advancements, the importance and impact of software continue to grow. Therefore, investing in software development processes and adapting to new technology